food lovers, I'm Adnana and it's baking time! What do you say if we make some muffins with no eggs? So for this recipe you'll need 200 grams of flour, 150 grams of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and 50 grams of cornstarch. Mix the dry ingredients in a bowl. Add 30 ml of vegetable oil in 250 ml of your favorite milk. Pour the liquid mixture in the flour mixture and stir until well combined. In a floured pan, divide the mixture between all 6 muffin cups. Top each one with white or black chocolate. Bake for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. In case you have a small pan, you can use some ramekins for the rest of the muffins mixture. Let them cool for a couple of minutes and sprinkle with powdered sugar. We prepared the recipe, we bake it, and now it's time to taste it. Mouth-watering. So fluffy and so delicious. You should try it. And if you do try it, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. And now it's time to say goodbye because the muffins are waiting for me.